All right, we back with another banger, back with no heating call. You know what's going on? That's where we about to go. I'm gonna get with y'all when we get up there. All right, so we got all 3 units in line. As you can tell, I first came up to this one. We are in heating mode because it is blowing, but it's blowing out cold air. So let's check this one out first. No units are on right now. All right, so y'all hear that? Now this is when we're running. I'm gonna show y'all that we are in the heat. W1 to C. We got 24 volts. All right, I just resetted it. Now let's put it back on. Let's see what we do. All right, right here you're gonna see my 4 flashes, my flash codes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then right here you see 4 flashes, 4 consecutive limit switch faults. So I'm gonna swap these things out, if you can see. Swap these out for these limit. Now let's see why this is open. Look at this shit. Yeah, that goes to my blower. So that's another reason why. All right, so as y'all can see in here, flames now because my fan motor's breaker was off. Turned that breaker back on, and now we got heat. She's pumping and rolling. Guys, I found my problem. So I got those in. My high limit is doing good and perfect right there. You hear it? All right, so now we got unit 2 doing the same thing, going out cold air, boosters on, nothing else. Let's see what the flashing code is. That's 6 flashes. All right, my inducer motor is on, as you can tell. Took this off. Show y'all what these flashes was. 6 flashes, induced draft motor fault. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna check my pressure switch because my inducer motor is down. See if this pressure switch is closing. Strike again, as you can see. I got my heat cutting on. Got that. So what I did was my pressure switch, right? I said I was gonna check that. So first thing I do was, look, I don't see no pressure switch hose. So what I do, I go from the inducer motor, go to this, go to this, go to this, go to this. I took this off, put it back on. So we are going to possibly just call that what that is. You know what I mean? Which is an SS. But yeah, we got that up and running. But we're good. And this ain't on here. Boom. So that right there. All right, so right there, as you can see, my safety switch is my pressure switch. Got that code, followed it, up to right here, took that out, put it back in. Now it's making its proper contact. I got it up and running. So we just gonna call that how it is, baby. Let's go. The third one. And I got that one already up and running. So just stay tuned with me. I told y'all, we do this, man. What it is, what it ain't, y'all already know the rest. This one. This one heating back up. All right, guys, we right here. So as you can see, my transformer is out, popped out. It's just kicking right back out. Then it's getting mushy. So let's see why. I know we got 208 coming in. We don't got 24 volts coming out. Let's see why. And let's see what's tripping it. I got this jumped out. All right, so if you see now, I got it jumped out on cooling. Transformer not popping out no more. Everything's running fine. So something up in my heat is popping my transformer. Let's see what's going on. All right, so as you can tell, I got my inducer unplugged. Got my safety switch unplugged. I have my blower motor unplugged as well, as you can see. Igniter, unplug that. Let's see if it'll pop again. I got everything for heating unplugged. Let's see if it'll pop again. All right, now watch. Something's kicking out. All right, so I connected everything back up to my furnace, blower and everything, and I took off common, W1, and my R, and transformer did not pop. I also took off my 24 volts as well. All right, so I got this jumped out. I got this white wire off, W1. All right, so it looked like we got a shorted thermostat wire. I took off W1 and jumped it out. Got our heat calling and running perfectly fine. So thermostat wire it is, and all these are done, baby. All right, as you can see now, that was up. Let's go do this one. This one heating back up. Got this one heating